Students, welcome back. Children, we have started chapter 5 in EVS and your chapter name was eating together, right? So when we were discussing about eating together when we have studied the chapter, like we have started. So what does that means? Eating together doesn't means like when we are eating with a family, when we are eating with the students of your class, with your friends, or when we are eating together in some parties, in some festivals, when we are eating with different kinds of people, right? So what is the particular aim of eating together? Children, the particular aim of eating together is to make like if in a family we are eating together. So when we are eating together in a family, that means we are uniting it. Uniting means we are sitting with our family members and we are becoming one, right? Similarly, when we are eating like in the bhandaras or in the langar or in the wedding or in some festivals, when we are eating together with different kind of people, or like in the class when you eat with your friends, that aim of eating together means that you should learn to the equality, that no one is upper or lower, right? That is the aim, to create an equality inside you, right? So that is the main purpose of eating together. After that, we read that community eating. Children, community eating, what was community eating? It was when a large number of people eat together on specific occasion, right? Specific occasions over here means like it can be a wedding, it can be a party, it can be anything, right? So where a large number of people are eating together, that is known as community eating. After that, the topic came was types of community eating. So children, first I will tell you, eating together brings all members close and develops a sense unity in a family, right? Now what were the examples of community eating? First is langar, then bhandara, wedding, midday meals, boarding school, pantry car. In this, first we have done about langar. Langar means it was nothing, it was just a free meal served in gurudwaras, right? And it was started by the first Sikh Guru Nanak Ji. And what is the main principle of langar? The main principle of langar and bhandara is to create equality between the people, right? Equality means over there in the bhandaras or in the langar, all the people of different, you can say, communities, different ranks over here I want to say is whether the people is rich or poor, or it can, he or she can be of any caste, have to sit together and eat, right? So by doing this, we are creating equality in them, right? After that, I told you children, the people who are offering like they are helping in the langars, like they are cooking food or they are serving, right, serving the meals to the people. That is the service that they are giving is known as seva, and the people are known as sevadars, right? Today children, we are going to do about wedding. Now the second topic that will be coming is langars we have done, bhandaras we have done. The main aim was is to create equality. Now today we are going to do the third topic, that is wedding. Now children, what is wedding? You must have seen must have gone to the different weddings in your families, in your like your parents' friends or your family or your relatives, everywhere you must have gone to the wedding, right? So a wedding is a ceremony where two people are united in marriage. Relatives and friends come from far and near to attend the wedding celebrations. An elaborate menu is planned. Now elaborate menu means you must have seen there are different varieties of food, like if you will see for the chart is there, different kind of charts are there, different kinds of variety, like South Indian, Chinese, everything is present over there. Proper meal is there, right? So there is different kind of variety of type of food is there. That is why we are calling it as an elaborated menu. Elaborated menu means a menu which contains different variety of food over there, right? A large number of tasty dishes, mocktails, you must have seen the juices also over there. Desserts, you must have seen desserts means the meetha, we call it in Hindi, right? Snacks you have seen are prepared by the expert cooks. Sometimes catering services are hired to supply food. Now you must have seen, like when we go for some wedding and we are sitting on the chairs, so you must have seen few people wearing a uniform and they are serving you with coffee or with, you can say, soup or some snacks. They are serving over there, right? In villages, functions are held in the house itself or in community halls. Family members take turn to assist in cooking and serving. Now, when we are talking about the cities or the towns where we are living, we go to the marriage halls, we go to the marriage grounds. They are in such a large area, right? But when we come to the village, in village every function basically mainly is done in the houses. Over there, the neighbors, the people who live nearby help each other, right? And how they help each other, like they assist while the cooking is done, so they will help in cooking also, they will help in serving the food also, right? Then after that, children, our next topic is midday meals. Children, midday meals mean the meal that has been served in few government schools to the children, right? That we are calling it as midday meal. So the topic main today we are covering is midday meal. Children, midday meal is nothing. It is an scheme. It is a scheme presented by the government. It is the scheme that has been presented by the government for the presented by the गवर्नमेंट, राइट? लाइक अब व्हाट इज़ दिस स्कीम? इस स्कीम में क्या होता है कि जो स्कूल में जो बच्चे हैं, गवर्नमेंट इज़ प्रोवाइडिंग फ्री फूड टू देम, राइट? दे विल गेट फूड फॉर फ्री, like, and it is belong to the children who are poor, right? Like they are not having enough money at home to, or they are not getting proper food. अब children, अगर हम यहाँ पे proper food की बात करते हैं, right? If we are talking about proper food, what does proper food means? अगर हम नॉर्मली देखें, अगर हम घर पे ढंग से खाना नहीं खाएंगे, हम बैलेंस डाइट नहीं खाएंगे, तो क्या होगा? We will fall sick, right? And we will be not having any energy to do any kind of work. So what happened is, when government has opened few schools for these kind of children whose parents are not able to pay the fees of the school, so because of that thing, they were not sending their children to school also. ऐसा होता है कि लाइक अगर हमारे पेरेंट्स के पास कई बहुत गरीब होते हैं एंड दे आर नॉट हैविंग दैट मनी टू सेंड द चिल्ड्रंस टू स्कूल, राइट? तो उसकी वजह से स्कूल्स में और मेन एम क्या था गवर्नमेंट का? टू एजुकेट एवरीवन. फूड देना वाज नॉट दैन आइडिया ऑफ गवर्नमेंट. गवर्नमेंट का मेन पर्पस था कि एवरी चाइल्ड शुड गेट एजुकेशन, राइट? अब उन्होंने क्या सोचा? अब अगर हम नॉर्मली देखें तो बिजनेस पर्स अगर हम जाते हैं, आप स्कीम्स देखते हो, लाइक फॉर द टॉयज़, इफ़ आई से किंडर जॉय है या कोई ऐसा चॉकलेट है, यू गेट अ फ्री टॉय फॉर इट. सो आप लोग क्या करते हो? आप लोग चॉकलेट के लिए ज़िद नहीं करते हो, बिकॉज यू विल बी गेटिंग दैट फ्री टॉय, यू विल बी गोइंग फॉर इट, राइट? सो गवर्नमेंट ऑल्सो डिसाइडेड दैट दे विल प्रोवाइड फ्री मील टू द पुअर चिल्ड्रंस हु विल बी कमिंग टू स्कूल. उससे क्या हुआ? उससे ये हुआ कि अ लार्ज अमाउंट ऑफ चिल्ड्रन स्टार्टेड कमिंग टू स्कूल टू गेट एजुकेटेड, because they will be getting proper food also over there, right? So now I will be reading from the book. Midday meal, it is a program started by the government of India in which lunch is provided, right? And that lunch that the government is providing is free of cost to school children on all school days, and this food they are getting every day, right? Children belonging to poor families cannot afford to bring food to school. Yes, but as I told you, because their parents are not as that rich, right? So they are not able to bring food every day to school, and because of that, what happens? They remain hungry, and when they are hungry, so they will, what they will do? They will think that we should not go to school, and if they will not go to school, they will be not getting education, right? So when they remain hungry, underdeveloped and drop out of school after some time. Underdeveloped means अब जब अगर हम खाना नहीं खाएंगे तो क्या होगा? We will fall sick, right? अगर हम भूखे रहेंगे, हमको प्रॉपर खाना नहीं मिलेगा तो we will be falling sick. और अगर हम बीमार पड़ जाएंगे तो हमारे अंदर एनर्जी नहीं होगी कोई भी काम करने की, राइट? तो चिल्ड्रन फूड इज़ वेरी नेसेसरी, एंड एवरीवन, इवन यू, आप लोग अच्छे स्कूल्स में पढ़ रहे हो, दैट कम्स टू यू ऑल्सो, दैट यू शुड ईट प्रॉपर फूड, ऑल द वेजिटेबल्स, एवरीथिंग यू शुड ईट, बिकॉज जब तक आप प्रॉपर फूड नहीं खाओगे आपके अंदर वो स्टेमिना, वो एनर्जी नहीं आएगी कोई भी काम करने के लिए, राइट? This program prevents classroom hunger and encourages children to attend school. Nutritious food is provided to children. They eat together in harmony and develop a sense of sharing. Right? Now what happens is कि अब harmony means peace. जब हम खाना मिलता है तो we feel relaxed, right? And secondly we learn sharing also. कि अगर हमारे साथ कोई अपना फूड शेयर कर रहा है तो वी शुड ऑल्सो शेयर आवर फूड विद देम, राइट चिल्ड्रन? सो टुडे आई एम एंडिंग ओवर हियर. टुमारो द न्यू टॉपिक दैट वी विल बी कवरिंग इज बोर्डिंग schools, right children? Till then, be safe.